1971 Plymouth Cuda, the E-body, one of the most aggressive silhouettes Mopar ever put on the street, and CAL Automotive Creations just turned this one into an earth-shaking Restomod for client Kent Matranga. Classic muscle, modern devastation. That's the formula. And every inch of this car delivers. Under the hood, a bone-stock Hellcat crate motor, a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8 pushing 707 horsepower. No covers, no dress-up. You open that hood and you know exactly what you're looking at. Mated to a Bowler Performance Tremec T56 6-speed manual and a strange Dana 60 rear end with a 4-link setup. This Cuda doesn't just cruise, it hunts. The chassis? A one-of-one custom build by CAL Automotive Creations. A modified Magnum Force front clip, raised within the frame to drop the ride height even lower. RideTech coilovers at all 4 corners. Baer Pro Plus brakes with drilled and slotted 14-inch rotors and 6-piston calipers. This 55-year-old body rides and handles like a modern supercar. The paint. Bronze Fire Metallic, laid down by the legendary Charley Hutton himself. Flawless. The kind of paint that shifts from deep copper to molten red depending on where the light catches it. Every panel, every curve, every reflection. Perfect. Rolling on one-of-one custom EVOD wheels. And that stance? Absolutely dialed. Low and aggressive without sacrificing an ounce of drivability. Open the door, and the interior is pure craftsmanship. Rich brown leather everywhere. The original Cuda dash lines preserved but completely refinished. Classic gauges. A leather-wrapped steering wheel. Every stitch, every surface. Museum quality. Through the rear glass, those iconic Cuda curves frame the back seat like a piece of sculpture. The taillights glow. The plate reads 71 Cuda. And from every angle, this car demands your attention. A 4-year build, completed in 2020. Finalist for the PPG Street Machine of the Year. Built by Andy Leach and the team at CAL Automotive Creations. This is the 71 Cuda. Subscribe for more builds from the shop.